Hello everybody, it's Phoenix Arc, and today, due to some recent requests, I'm going to be showing you that the pack that I made in my previous video on how to use the PCK Studio works. Let's go ahead and FTP into the PS3 right now. Yes. Okay, now what we're going to want to do is go into the HDD0 directory, followed by the game directory. Now I'm using the EU disk version of the game, therefore it is bless 01976. There we go. User dir, DLC, and we'll just make a new, and make it a Dan TDM. We'll go ahead and copy the PCK right there. I'll go ahead and start up the game. And while that's happening... yes. Okay. Just go ahead and go into the... okay, perhaps it's somewhere else. Photo. Here we go. And now I will go onto the PS3, find the pack, which shouldn't take too long. I will take a screenshot, saving, and let's see, we'll just go ahead and refresh. As you can see, we have a new entry. That's what my game's renamed. Let's go ahead and copy that. And as you can see right here, the skin is shown. Now, since there was only one skin, it just keeps repeating over and over again. But if you were to add other skins, they'd show up as well. But, yeah. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have fun modding.